It's interesting because when this song was played and it was, I mean, you could hear the full lyrics and the crowd all swaying to it in Stade de France, and then the criticism that erupted online, criticism that it tells the nationalist people that it was all in their head. What do you think of that, Aoife?
I would love 10% of the energy that the media and people online spend talking about songs at sports games than they would spend on discussing the legacy bill currently passed by the House of Commons, in which people who murdered people in Northern Ireland are getting a get out of jail free card. We never see columns about that in the same instance that we will see about the Wolf Tones and the Cranberries. Mm-hmm. It is not anything to do with victims. It's not anything to do with Northern Ireland. It's songs at football matches. Most people at football matches are not thinking about the political outcome of the song that they're singing. This is such a reductive waste of our time, waste of our energy. Okay. And I just would like people to take more of an interest in Northern Ireland if that's what you're trying to do. If you want to take an interest in what's happening, take an interest.
Yeah, but it did blow up regardless. The likes, we had a comedian, Tyke Hickey, saying it was the perfect partitionist anthem, complete lack of understanding for the lived experience of Northern nationalists. Now, that's kind of part of your argument, that why aren't we discussing the legacy bill, blah, blah, blah. But at the same time, about this song, are there any elements of it that you do take offence to, like people took offence to the Wolf Tone song?
Absolutely.
Is there like a nuance there, and does it offend you?
And like, I'm not going to get into the politics of Zombie and Dolores O'Riordan, but the song was written after the death of a child in England, while hundreds of children have been killed in Northern Ireland, and the song wasn't written then. That's why people think the song is partitionist. I don't think rugby fans were singing it to get up the nose of Northern nationalists. I don't think that they were singing the Wolf Tones at different matches to get up the nose of Northern Unionists. They're just singing a song because they're all at a match and they're singing a song. I just think this is all a reductive argument. There is so much ignorance about the North already, and arguing about whether a song is partitionist or not is not really helping anything when there isn't enough education about it in the South anyway.
So in your view, sing away?
Sing away,
no
I
issue with
could
it?
not care less.
All right, OK.